Imagine walking into a dealership ready to buy a used truck. You've done your research, you know trucks hold value, and you expect the salesperson to push you toward the most expensive option. But what if I told you, sometimes dealerships secretly hope you don't buy certain trucks? Not because they're bad sales, but because these trucks have hidden problems that can come back to haunt the dealership with complaints, warranty fights, and angry customers. According to reliability surveys from Consumer Reports and large owner datasets, some of the most popular pickup trucks on the road have surprisingly serious long-term reliability issues. And while these trucks may look tough on the outside, under the hood, some of them can become financial disasters. Today, we're exposing 5 used trucks dealerships know can be trouble, the hidden problems they don't like talking about, and what you should buy instead. Let's start with one of the most popular trucks in America. Truck #1, Ford F-150, certain model year. The Ford F-150 is the best-selling truck in the United States. For decades, it's been the go-to pickup for contractors, workers, and everyday drivers. But not every F-150 is created equal. Several model years have been plagued with serious mechanical issues. Some of the worst years include 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2010, according to reliability data and owner complaints. One major issue involves the 5.4-liter V8 engine. Owners reported spark plugs literally shooting out of the engine head. Yes, exploding out. Another issue was the infamous cam phaser failure, which causes loud engine knocking and extremely expensive repairs. And newer models had problems too. Federal regulators even investigated 2015, 2017 F-150 trucks after drivers reported sudden gear downshifts at highway speeds, which could lock the rear wheels and cause a loss of control. That's the kind of problem that turns a simple commute into a terrifying situation. So why would dealerships hesitate to sell these? Because trucks like this often return months later with angry owners asking, "Why didn't anyone warn me?" Trucks Tag 2, Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado is another legendary truck. It's powerful, capable, and one of the top-selling vehicles in North America. But Consumer Reports data shows the Silverado has struggled with powertrain and electronics reliability across multiple generations. That means engine problems, transmission issues, and electronic glitches. And unfortunately, some Silverado problems can get very expensive. One of the most alarming cases involved the 6.2-liter V8 engine used in newer models. Federal safety regulators opened an investigation into engine failures that could happen without warning. Drivers reported engines suddenly seizing while driving, which obviously creates a major safety risk. There have also been recalls involving brake system components that could leak fluid and increase fire risk in certain Silverado models. When repairs like that happen outside warranty, they can cost thousands. And that's exactly why some dealerships get nervous selling older Silverados with high mileage. Because once the warranty is gone, the repair bills belong to the owner. Truck #3, Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is famous for its comfortable ride and luxury level interiors. Some drivers even say it feels more like a high-end SUV than a pickup. But reliability reports tell a more complicated story. In some Consumer Reports reliability rankings, newer Ram trucks have scored lower than competitors in several categories, including electronics and drivetrain issues. One of the biggest complaints from owners involves the air suspension system. While it gives the truck a smooth ride, it can also fail unexpectedly. When it does, the truck may sit unevenly or refuse to raise itself at all. Replacing the system can cost thousands of dollars. Another common problem is electrical glitches affecting screens, sensors, and warning systems. None of these problems make the Ram a terrible truck, but they do make certain used models riskier purchases, especially if maintenance records are missing. Truck Tag 4, Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan doesn't get as much attention as Ford or Chevy trucks. But when people do buy them, they often expect reliability similar to Japanese brands like Toyota. Unfortunately, the Titan hasn't always delivered that. Earlier Titans had major issues with rear axle seals that could leak and destroy the differential. That's a repair most owners never expect, and when it happens, it can cost thousands. Another common complaint involved premature brake wear, meaning some drivers had to replace brakes far earlier than expected. In some cases, owners reported brake replacements happening twice as often as they normally should. That means more maintenance visits and higher long-term ownership costs. Problems like this may not seem catastrophic at first, but over several years they can quietly drain thousands of dollars from a truck owner's wallet. The Titan also suffered from lower resale value, partly because reliability scores were inconsistent. That's one reason dealerships often discount them heavily on the used market. The truck might look like a great deal, but sometimes there's a reason the price seems too good. For buyers who don't check reliability history, the low price can feel like a bargain, but experienced mechanics often warn that cheaper purchase prices sometimes hide higher long-term maintenance costs. And when those unexpected repairs start appearing, the great deal suddenly doesn't feel so great anymore. Truck #5, GMC Sierra certain year. The GMC Sierra is basically the Silverado's luxury twin. They share many components, engines, and engineering, which means they often share the same problems. Some Sierra models equipped with the 2-liter engine were included in the same federal investigation into sudden engine failures affecting GM trucks. Owners reported engines seizing without warning due to internal bearing failures. That kind of catastrophic engine damage can mean a complete engine replacement, and an engine replacement in a modern truck is not cheap. Depending on the model and labor costs, replacing a damaged engine can cost anywhere from several $1,000s to well over $10,000. For many owners, that kind of repair bill arrives completely unexpectedly. Even outside those cases, Sierra trucks have faced complaints about transmission problems, electrical failures, and fuel system issues. Drivers have reported rough shifting transmissions, dashboard warning lights appearing randomly, and infotainment systems freezing or malfunctioning. While some of these issues may seem minor, they can still create frustrating ownership experiences. Again, these trucks are not universally bad, but certain years can become very expensive to own after the warranty expires, which is exactly when most used truck buyers purchase them. That timing is what makes these reliability issues particularly risky. The first owner often benefits from factory warranty coverage, but the second or third owner usually pays out of pocket. And when major components fail, those repair bills can quickly turn a good-looking truck into a very expensive mistake. Why these problems matter? You might be wondering, if these trucks have problems, why are they still so popular? The answer is simple. Most trucks perform great when they're new. The real test happens after 5, 8, or 10 years. That's when design weaknesses start to show. According to surveys of hundreds of thousands of owners collected by Consumer Reports, pickup trucks as a category actually tend to have lower reliability scores compared to many cars and SUVs. And when something breaks on a truck, it's rarely cheap. Engines are larger, transmissions are heavier, and parts cost more, which means a repair that costs $900 on a sedan might cost $3,000 or more on a truck. The hidden trap of used truck buying. There's another reason dealerships worry about certain used trucks. It's called the reliability gap. Here's how it works. A truck might run perfectly for the first 80,000 miles. Then suddenly problems start appearing one after another. Transmission, suspension, electronics, fuel systems. If you buy the truck right before that reliability cliff, you become the person paying for every failure. And that's exactly why certain trucks show up again and again on reliability warning lists. How to avoid buying a problem truck. The good news? Avoiding these trucks is easier than you might think. First, always research specific model years, not just the truck model. Every truck has good years and bad years. Second, check reliability sources like Consumer Reports, owner surveys, and recall databases. These reveal patterns that advertisements won't show you. Third, always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. A $150 inspection can save thousands. And finally, never assume a truck is reliable simply because it's popular. Some of the most famous trucks ever built have also had some of the biggest mechanical headaches. Final thoughts. Pickup trucks are some of the toughest vehicles on the road, but toughness doesn't always equal reliability. Behind the aggressive styling and powerful engines, some trucks hide design flaws that only appear years later. That's why smart buyers focus on long-term reliability, not just horsepower or towing numbers. Because the best truck isn't the one that looks toughest, It's the one that doesn't bankrupt you after 100,000 miles. And if you're shopping for a used truck, knowing which models to avoid might be the smartest investment you ever make.